Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make Indian chai or tea. First we're gonna go through all the ingredients that you guys need, and we're gonna walk you through step by step how the whole process works to make chai or Indian tea, which is beneficial for many things. The first step, we're gonna walk you through ingredients. Here we have 1 tablespoon of sugar, depending on how much sugar you want. We have 1 tablespoon of black tea. We have jawine, or you call it tragispermum. We have ginger that you need, and we have cinnamon stick. We have elaichi, or you call in English we can say cardamom. Then we have black cardamom, we have cloves, and we have sauf or anise. And these are some of the ingredients that you need, mostly herbs, to make the chai. And we need 1 cup of water. We have 1 cup of milk. So let's get the whole process started. First we're gonna turn the stove on, put the pan, and we put the water in. Let the water get warm a little bit. Now we're gonna put the black tea in. Now we're gonna put the 1 tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna put the cinnamon stick. Now for these herbs, we're gonna crush them before we put them in. We're gonna put all the herbs in that, and we're gonna crush them together before we put them in the tea. For jawine, which is the first one, you don't need to crush it because it's already crushed. And for sauf, you don't need to crush that as well because it's already been in small pieces. But for the other herbs, other ingredients, crush them real well, such as ginger, elaichi, black cardamom, and cloves. Crush them real well before you put them in the tea. Yeah, crush them real good. Put them in. And we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes before we put the milk in. We're gonna let the herbs and the tea and the sugar, everything dissolve in the hot water and let it boil. As you can see, the water is boiling, it's real hot. All the herbs, tea, sugar, it's dissolving well. Now we're gonna put the 1 cup of milk in there. Now we cover it again. As you can see, it's almost finished, and it literally takes 5 to 7 minutes to make the tea. Once it boils, you can see the water, the milk and the whole tea is kind of boiling now. So now it's pretty much done. You shake it a little bit. It's boiling now, and there we go. We're gonna turn the stove off, and it's done. Here we go, and it only took 5 to 7 minutes. Indian chai or tea is ready with all the spices, all the herbs in there. Now you put them in cup. And it's ready to drink.